Questions like this, guys, are pretty annoying. They actually come up quite often in exams, and a lot of students get them wrong, mainly because of silly mistakes. Let's have a look at this one. The question asks us to calculate the perimeter of the following semicircle. Now, we know how to work out the perimeter of a circle. The perimeter of a circle is the circumference of the circle. We use pi times by diameter. So let's write that up at the top for now. We're going to have that the circumference of a circle is equal to pi times by diameter. In the case of this semicircle, to work out the perimeter, we have two side lengths to consider. We have this 10 centimeters down at the bottom. We have this arc length up at the top. How do we work out the arc length? Well, the arc length of this semicircle is going to be half of what the circumference of the overall circle would have been. I've continued that circle down there just to make it clear. What we can do is we can work out the overall circumference of what the circle would have been and then divide it by 2. How do we work out the circumference of a circle? Pi times by diameter. So we're going to do, in this case, that the arc length, let's call it L, is equal to pi times by our diameter. Our diameter here is 10, the length all the way across our semicircle, and then we're going to have to divide this by 2. Pi times by 10 would be 10 pi. 10 pi divided by 2, guys, that is going to be 5 pi. And we're going to leave our answer in terms of pi here. So we're going to have 10 plus 5 pi centimeters as our overall perimeter for this semicircle. We had to consider that bottom side of 10 and the top arc length of 5 pi. That gives us our answer to this one.